Installing GoBiz on your hPanel-based server is quick and easy. Hey guys, I'm Kevin from NativeCode, and in this video I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Log into your account and head to the Downloads section. Locate your purchased product, click on Download, and select Files and Documentation from the first drop-down. In the remaining drop-down, you'll find your purchase code and certificate. After downloading the zip file, extract it. Inside, you'll see 3 folders and another zip file. The first folder contains the changelog.html file. The second folder includes the documentation.html file. The third folder holds the migration file. And most importantly, you'll find the gobiz.zip file. Next, open the documentation file for GoBiz. Scroll down and click on Getting Started. You'll be redirected to a new page where you'll need to click Continue with Docs to view the minimum server requirements for installing GoBiz. Uploading GoBiz to your server, log in to your hosting or panel using your credentials, go to File Manager and navigate to the public HTML directory. Delete any default files present in this folder. Then click on Upload. Select the GoBiz file from the local folder and click on Open. It takes a few minutes to upload the file. Once you have the file, just extract it. Once the extraction process is complete, return to the hosting or panel and check your website to ensure everything is functioning properly. After that, navigate back to the Advanced tab and select PHP configuration. Next, review the PHP version to confirm that it is set to 8.2. Now, the most important step is to go to the PHP Options section and locate the Disable Functions tab. Carefully remove only the symlink function from the list. After making this change, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Save button. A confirmation message should appear, indicating that your PHP options have been updated successfully. Finally, return to your website and click on Check Requirements to view the server requirements. Click on Check Permissions and then review the permissions. Change the required permissions shown there by going to Public HTML. Then move to the website link and changing the storage, public, and bootstrap/cache permissions from 755 to 775 accordingly. Then come back to the website, and you are now ready to configure the environment. Enter the purchase code you obtained from your codecanyon account. Set the app log level to debug. Verify your app URL. Enter your database details. Setting up the database. Return to hPanel and scroll down to MySQL databases. Create a new database by entering a valid database name, username, and password, and then click on Create Database. Then enter the credentials on the website and click on Install. Now you can witness that the application has been successfully installed. Then click on Click here to exit. Visit your domain URL and sign in using the appropriate email and password. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard. If any updates are available, they'll be displayed here. Click on Install, and you will be redirected to the Check Update page. Here you can see the latest version and changelog. Then click on Install. Hence, your latest version will be updated successfully with a single click. If you still can't get the latest version, it is because of the application cache. So kindly go to Settings and click Clear Cache. If you're still facing issues after that, press Ctrl+Shift+R for Windows, or Command+Shift+R for macOS. That's it. You will get the latest version of GoBiz.